I'm gonna add that tip to my girlfriend when
yeah?
she makes this the next time.
I can teach you how to make this. The price will be sold at the restaurant for between 15 to 20 ringgit, but I can teach you how to make it for a fraction of the cost. So first off, you want to choose nice brown skin pumpkins. So you cut it in half. Now you scoop out the seeds. You're going to place it on a baking tray and you're going to cover each one with foil. Now all your pumpkins have been foiled up. We're going to pop in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour or until the meat is tender. It's been about an hour. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice tender flesh. Tastes delicious as it is. Pumpkins have cooled down. I can handle it in my hands. I want to scoop out the flesh, avoiding taking any skin. Heat up a sauce pot. Gonna add in some corn oil, celery for flavor, onions for flavor and sweetness. Now you want to saute this on maybe a medium-low heat. Garlic goes in. Salt can go in now as well. And don't color the vegetables, just soften it. You want to add in your water and your bay leaf. Bring it up to a boil and then simmer it. It's been simmering for about a good 5 minutes now. Just put a carrot to the side of the pot. Should be able to cut easily. Yeah, carrots are tender. Gently add in your pumpkin meat. Back the heat up, bring it to a boil. Add in the parmesan. Parmesan's going to add a very nice, rich, nutty flavor, umami flavor to your soup. That's a secret ingredient right there. Once it's reboiled, it's done. Turn off the heat. Now we're going to blend the soup. We got to fish out that bay leaf we put in earlier. Let it go to a roll. Once it's at a roll, then you can increase the speed. As you're straining it, use a rubber spatula and push everything through. It's time to reboil it. This will be a good opportunity to check the consistency of the soup and adjust the seasoning. A little bit more water. Add in your truffle oil. You know what will be good on a rainy day like this? My special pumpkin soup.
Your special pumpkin soup. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Let's give it a swirl. How did you make it that creamy, that smooth?
I roast the pumpkins first, scoop out the meat, cook it all with some vegetables, garlic, Parmesan cheese, blend it and strain it. That's how it gets that creamy.